To hear you speak to your experience with Paapri. How did that go?
I hold a small piece of my heart for Paapri. I really do. I love who we worked with. Courtney Marvel and Patrick Thornton, they were my guys. I remember them by name just because they have helped us so much. I mean, I have, not to throw this out here, but I've bothered them so much. I have been on car rides to Little League baseball games on the phone. So I will have to say that they have been like our knight in shining armor, especially since we were going from such a rudimentary platform. I wouldn't want to say, I don't want to make fun of anybody here, but QuickBooks is a pretty rudimentary platform. It's pretty easy out of the box, easy to use. This was like a whole different world to us, a whole different flavor, if you will. And Paapri really held our hand and helped tackle what we needed to tackle without a lot of the fluff. Like I said, we had 3 months. We are a very curt team, if you will. We say what we want and we say what we need. So they really handled our personalities really well and understood our goals, our challenges, and kind of rolled with the punches. And we really, really enjoyed working with them for sure.